Welcome to TechTube. In this video I will show you how to match values in specific cells. Let's go to the video.
The match function searches for a specified item in a range of cells, and then returns the relative position of that item in the range. Use match instead of one of the lookup functions when you need the position of an item in a range instead of the item itself. For example, you might use the match function to provide a value for the row_number argument of the index function. First you need create index table to enter value. Let's start formula. Type equals index. And then type $A, $2, $G, $10. This is represent whole index area. And then start match function type match, J2. This is represent one of matching array. Enter the value of this match function type $A, $2, $A, $10, 0. Now type second match function type match J3. This represent another match cells and then enter the following order $A, $1, $G, $1, 0. Now we finished formula for match function. In this sheet the J2 represent name and J3 represent date. Let's type the J2 value. I enter name Anna. And then type the J3 value date June 1st, 2020. Now you will see the result. There is number 1. Let's test all the functions are working properly. Type all the matches. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel.